the Hilton Hotel here in downtown Tampa with Genessee elevators. And those are the modded hotel elevators. They're nothing too special, but just down here we have an original Westinghouse elevator. At least it was original a couple years ago. Let's see if it's still here. Hopefully it is. And yes, it's original.
Yeah. Awesome. Love the bell.
Yep.
Even if you're not an elevator fanatic, you still gotta love a cool little bell.
There's your lantern. It's got EPCO on the inside, but AE call buttons.
Miller elevator.
Yeah, I wonder why it says that.
Yeah, that's still a pretty neat, still a pretty nice elevator.
Yeah. I believe this was installed in 1983, I believe. Here we go.
Okay.
Still thinks we're going up.
Ding, ding.
All right. Go back down.
Oh, sorry.
I want to get another ride.
Yeah, go right ahead.
This thing dings a lot.
This camera doesn't really like focusing on letters.
We're on 3. I mean 1. All right. Let me get a quick look at the call button,
Yeah,
which is right here. All right, send it up to 3. And we'll get off there.
Doesn't sound too good.
No. Yeah, this thing is not in the greatest condition. And there's your interlock. And anyways, there it goes. That'll be it.